see us travel to Borrowdale Caravan and Motorhome Club Site. This is us leaving the Yorkshire Dales. As you can see, it's raining. We didn't have much luck with the weather, and then as we were getting up towards the Lake District, the beautiful sunshine came out. When travelling to Borrowdale, they tell you to follow the instructions from the book as opposed to your sat-nav. It's really important to follow those instructions because the roads get really narrow. We waited about 5 minutes before we could cross this bridge, and we literally only just fitted. This is the road leading up to the campsite. Borrowdale has no toilet or shower facilities on site. We highly recommend this site, it's absolutely beautiful, surrounded by woodland. Our pitch we could see the lake.
On the boardwalk.
So this morning it's about 9:30 and we're gonna take a wander up the Catbells. I'm suffering from lots of blisters on the bottom of my feet, so I'm all strapped up, and we're gonna see how far we get. We might not make it to the top because you can probably hear the rain is torrential and it might not be safe. So we're gonna see how we go.
It's been raining all night. It's been really loud on the top of the van, but it looks like it's set in for the day. So I guess this is do something or do nothing. So we're gonna give it a go and see what happens. It could be an adventure. So we've just come out of the campsite. We've walked out. We're going to cross this little road here. I'm going to follow the path up somewhere up there where they're permitting. I'm going to have a walk all along the top in that direction and walk back. The weather is it's persistent rain. So hopefully it won't get any worse, but we'll see how far we get. If it gets too bad, we might have to turn back, but let's keep our fingers crossed.
said that was the easy route. So we've just walked down there. This is our beautiful view. And we're still walking down there. Are you wet, Lee? The weather got so bad that we had to put the camera away. As you can see, when we got back, the dogs were very wet. So we made some delicious popcorn for us all to enjoy. We were sad to leave Borrowdale, but excited for our next adventure. Why not join us next week on our adventure when we travel to Coniston? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.